Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Journal Junk Box. This is a monthly subscription. They do have a smaller size too, but this box is supposed to have 8 to 10 items in it. And one of the items did come on the outside because it couldn't fit in the box. It's this really cool vintage coloring book. It's got lots of fun designs in there. Super cute. And this should be the January box. They did let me pick which month I wanted to review. You could see like a little sneak peek of the boxes on their website. So this is give $25 towards a friend for their first box, and then you get $10. Journal Junk Box, January, good things are coming. You could follow them on their social media. What's in the box. So I'm going to set that aside because it tells you all the prices and what's in here. So let's go ahead and go through it. Looks like it's packaged really well. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. That's adorable. And it says live each day with intention, and it has a little dangling rose quartz little pendant on it. I love that. So nice. And then we have gel pens. I am absolutely obsessed with gel pens, and these are glitter ones. So very excited to have those. 10 different ones, all different colors. This is a sticker book. Be kind to your mind. So cute. Then we have some washi tape. There's 2 different rolls on there. One has rainbows. The other one says shine bright, colorful. There's little sayings on there. Then we have a card with soy-based ink. You are enough. Then we have, so journaling set of 3 little books. Those are nice because you can lay them flat. They don't have like a hard back to them. It says know your worth. And then we have something in here. Oh, that's cute. It's a little tumbler cup. It's see-through, but it does have some little flowers on it. It says, you more than matter. That's adorable. Love that. So that's everything that came in this box. Here's that card. So it shows you the journals, $15. The greeting card is $5.50. The crystal pen is $8.99. The washi tape $4.99. $6.99 for the stickers. $8.25 for the tumbler. $9.99 for the gel pen set. And $12.99 for the adult coloring book. Very cool. And then it kind of gives you some journal prompts for that month as well. I love this. So please check out the description box below. I'll link them and I'll put the prices of everything. And if you're interested, I hope you check them out. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.